this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is SheModern Saturday. We are doing a Halloween theme video this week. It is in collaboration with SheModern Old to New, which is a collaboration on Instagram of us ladies that have a lot of SheModern products. We have old ones, we have new ones. So I'm going to use Old to New. We've got some things here you might recognize. These are SheModern's water decals, which is what they used to be known for when they very, very first started, like 5 years ago. Maybe, yeah, 5 years ago about. I have my haunted house. I have a witch and 3 bats. I got 2 spiders. Yeah. So, we're going to go on with our water decals. So, let me see my bats. Where are my bats going? If you pick your water decal up and the bottom sticks to it, just slide it off. No biggie. You are going to place bats randomly on the nail. Does not matter where. I'm not using anything to stick. I'm just using the sticky from the polish itself. I used to always use SheModern stencil glue gel or the glue gel when they had it. Okay, that's for that. My witch is going on here, but I'm putting a moon. I don't know if I should have the witch flying over the moon, in front of the moon. Decisions, and I have to use her now. I can't, well, I mean, I could. Jab her off just a smidge. So I'm gonna put her about here. So there's my witch. Sorry I did that kind of off camera. Here. Okay, so we're done with the decals. We're gonna get in with our stamping. Let me get my paper towel. The paper towel, I got my reinforced stamper, jelly stamper by SheModern. I'm sorry, I just had this, I should have just blown my nose. I had this humongous sneeze. Where's my white? Here's my white opaque sticky stamping polish by SheModern. I'm gonna be using that, as well as the metallic silver. Should probably put the moon in silver, shouldn't I? Let's go in again. You don't need a whole lot. This is a very tiny image. Slow and slow there. That's a better scraping. Much better. Much better. Let's get our nail. And there is our full moon. Beautiful. Okay, there is that. I'm gonna try this one right here. Let me clean my stamper. Make sure you clean your stamper, your plates, your images in between each use. Keep everything nice and fresh. Clean. I know sometimes with filming that you need to move at a certain speed, and I get it. I get it. We all do. Sometimes I do. I set them aside. Gotta do what you can do. Let me see if I can finish lining these up. Okay. Clean my stamper. Clean my plate. I don't usually clean my I think I'm going to go with my trick or treat first. I think I'm going to change things up here just a little. Oh, God, this just... Wait a minute. This is smoky. Shoot. This is not sticky stamping polish. This is smoky. It just flung back. It hit me in the face. Now I got smoky watercolor. Aww. See, this is broken. I'm going to put on my Christmas wish list, ladies. For those of you that I exchange gifts with, I need a new cotton claw. What was I doing? A trick or treat, that's right. Let's get the correct product now. I'm going to go in with the trick or treat. When I'm just angle up the sides like this, I like to scrape sideways instead of up and down. I do. I'm gonna get back in frame here. Just trying to take the extras off the stamper that I don't need on the nail. Trick or treat. Whoops. It was after stamping, not before. That would have been a big boo-boo. I'm going to take this plate here. This is Shop Ants XL010. Sorry I wasn't telling the names of my plates. Very bad of me. I'm usually very good about that. Normally very good about that. Very sorry. There we go. Our trick or treat with some ghosts. See, that was Shop Ants. My moon plate was Mr. Fox LK003. I'm gonna do my bones next. Yes, we're doing some bones on this one. First, I'm going to do the skull and crossbones. Do that one first. Okay, let me go off camera here so I can clean this up just a tad bit better. Excuse me. There we go. Skull and crossbones. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to take that image. I'm not using all the bones. Just some of them. So we're going to go in and clean this baby up to the best of our ability. Should have kept that little one there. What am I keeping? What am I keeping? Okay, let's get the outside here again. Make sure it is nice and clean. Here we go, we got some bones. We all have bones. We all have bones. Next we are going to find our spider web. I've got the plate Shop Ants XL010. I am taking, where did it go? Spider web and spider right here. We're going to do that in the metallic silver. Where did I put her? Close up the white. This is a lovely, beautiful color by SheModern. This is a newer one. You can tell by the labels. The old ones were just... Oh God, what were they? Black and white? I can't remember. I can't remember. Well, I gotta clean this stab or scraper card, whatever it's called. There we go. And we're gonna put us a spider in the middle. Don't forget, I'm having a giveaway going on for the white and black set of 60 stamping polish by SheModern. Go to any SheModern video like this one and put enter me. You can live anywhere in the world. It is open worldwide for the giveaway. The rules are you must be 18 years of age or older. You must be subscribed to my channel first and foremost. Stay active. If I can see you, be visible. Watch the videos, comment. Let me see here now. We gotta go with the spiders. But international peeps are responsible for their own shipping, taxes, and duties. I only cover the first $5 shipping it out of the U.S. The rest is your responsibility. You'll have to PayPal it to me. Top go these puppies. Everything's puppies with me. I have Chihuahua. I used to have 4. I'm down to 1. I got the baby of the group left. She is 15 years old. Her name is Mercedes. She is a Pom Chow. She is a Pomeranian Chihuahua mix. There are pictures of her, I do believe, on Instagram. She's not the feisty little girl anymore since she's just by herself. It bums me out. But my bestie, he has Chucky. He's got a dog. So when they come over, oh, she'll bark and chase after her a little bit. Not really chase, but, you know, follow around here and there and be a little bit more active than she was just by herself. She's used to being in a little herd of 4. A lonesome dove. These are turning out really super cute. Really cute. Glide your brush over the stamping. You don't need to seal it. Some ladies I've heard say they need to seal it over the gels when you, and that's not, I'm gonna have to say that's not necessarily true. I don't use a sealant of any type over my stamping or my decals. Which one? Let me try both and see here. See, I like the blue, but you're not, I don't know, how well can you see it? How well can you see the blue spider? Not as well as the white one. so, which I'm not even sure this is going to stay. Let me get out my, shoot, the rhinestone glue. Clean my desk up a little bit. I'm going to use my dotting tool. Alright. We're almost finito. I got a lot of editing to do in this video, let me tell you. All my slow pokiness. Let me get my, that's not a flashlight. Let me get this right on here. Almost touching the spider web to try and cure the rhinestone glue. Couldn't think of what it was called there. So now we're going to put her back on the lamp. We're going to take Charlotte, put her, oh, I shouldn't call her Charlotte. We're putting her Charlotte into the lamp. We're going to cure 60 seconds. We'll be right back. So here are our nails. I think these turned out really, really super cute. Really super cute. I think I made a good choice on the spider. Good choice. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure today for SheModern Saturday and SheModern collaboration, Old Meets New. SheModern is nailed at 67, all caps. Check that out. My spider. Oh, I gotta tell you about my spider. My spider came from brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Save yourself 10% off with the code of ShereeBaby. ShereeBaby 10. So please leave your comments, any constructive criticism, any just, I don't know, chit chat, whatever you want to say. Let me know that you were here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that comes across my desk. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.